Have you ever wondered why you can be so clear at night, so sure about who you want to be, and then by 10 a.m. the next morning, you're right back in the same patterns? Let me tell you something that I feel like most people never hear, but really need to. You're not inconsistent because you're lazy. You're inconsistent because your identity hasn't caught up yet. And until it does, you will keep snapping back into the same version of yourself, the one that you probably don't like as much, no matter how many habits you try to build. Or how many times you say, this time will be different, which I know we've all been there. We're going to fix that today from the ground up. So let's talk about the real reason that you can't stay consistent. And I try to be very respectful of your time when I make these videos, so I'm going to be moving very quickly, but you really do need to hear all this video. You don't fail because you can't follow through. You fail because you're trying to act like someone that you haven't become yet. In the long run, your self-image will always win. It will beat all of the habits that you try to force into it. Imagine it like a rubber band that you can keep stretching and stretching, but eventually it's going to snap back. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a little bit of an abstract thought, but I'm going to break it down very clearly and explain what I mean here. And here is the part that I feel like most people never realize. You can be living by an identity that you built for great reasons, by the way, when you're 5, 10, 20, even 40 years ago. These could be coping mechanisms for a certain situation that you were in, or many other different reasons. This is an identity that made sense for who you were. And I say were because it's not who you are now. And it may not be as necessary now. That old identity becomes gravity to you snapping back, like the rubber band scenario that I mentioned earlier. Not because it's right, but because it's familiar. Your life moved forward, but your alignment didn't. If you have to remember one quote from this entire video, I'd probably write that one down. So, of course, you break consistency like this. You're trying to live by a standard that doesn't match the person you're actually trying to become today. That isn't failure, that's misalignment. And we talk about that a lot on this channel. Let me give you a great example. Have you ever noticed how the heroes in movies have this unshakable center to them? This backbone. They know what they stand for, so their behavior is consistent without effort. They're always consistent with that goal and that identity. You don't have to be extreme like that. I'm not. This is not a channel for me to be a hypocrite. I have worked through this for many, many years, much as you are as well. But I want you to use it as a model. When your identity is solid, your behavior becomes predictable. I'll give you a real life example. I knew this guy in college. He was seemingly perfect. In fact, we nicknamed him Mr. Perfect. He didn't like that. Not because he was flawless, but because he never compromised his standards. And to us in college, who, we were young and trying to mature, he looked flawless. He didn't drink, but still had a ton of fun with us, and no one seemed to care. He never missed study time and was top of his class every single time. And it looked effortless. Not because he worked insane hours, but because he was consistent. And he was consistent because he was aligned. He came in knowing exactly what his goals were. And he took it a step further from the rest of us who also had similar goals. He was completely aligned. This is who he made himself to be. And it appeared that his life flowed seamlessly. Of course, I say the word appeared because I'm not saying he didn't have some sort of stressors or challenges that we didn't know about. You know what I mean? But it just flowed so well for him. He knew who he was and his actions matched. To break this down so much more simply into like a very actionable part of this. And this is something that I can easily reflect on back in hindsight. We all studied for our tests like 1 or 2 days before, okay? And we were in STEM majors. This is organic chemistry and all the hard things, right? He just did a little bit of studying every day. Not near as much as we were studying 2 days before, just a little bit every single day. And he blew us all out of the water. That's why I preach this so much to pre-meds and other people. And this may not be in the situation you're in. I'm just giving it as a clear example. When you're aligned, consistency feels natural. It's like when I make these videos. When you're not, consistency feels impossible. And I know that you've been there, and I've been there with you. It's hard. So the core message here is stop trying to fix your habits first. Fix your identity, then fix your alignment. Fix the version of you that you're trying to act like. Because the moment that you become the person who naturally lives the way that you want, consistency stops being a fight and it starts becoming a reflection of who you are. I talk about this a ton in my book, which is a step-by-step guide that I wrote from someone who has been there to rebuild clarity and really step into the life that you have always meant to live. And if you enjoy the community aspect of things and a much one-on-one, more personal guide, I also dive really deep into this in my brand new community, but we'll get into that later. Now, let's talk about the actionable advice here. And this is so key, and you really do need to hear this. This is where most people make the biggest mistakes. They try to rebuild themselves all at once. That's how you burn out. That's how you collapse. And that's how you convince yourself that you just can't change. I've heard that countless times. And you'll realize this is a central theme that I talk about here. So here's what actually works. What's simple and grounded and real. Are you ready? Pick one identity domain, as we'll call it. One, ask yourself, what part of my identity am I ready to reclaim now? Maybe it's, I'm someone who takes care of my physical health. I'm someone who becomes financially stable and stays that way. I'm someone who shows up fully with my partner and my family. I'm someone who acts with purpose instead of drifting. Pick one. Like, this isn't something that I want you to write all of these out and do them all. And here's the rule. Embody it fully. Show up as that person until it becomes second nature. I don't care if it takes a week, a month, 6 months, because here is what people don't understand. There's only a handful of these identity domains that actually really matter. Once you master them, your life rounds out so fast. Like, genuinely, you might have none of these right now, but you know someone who you're like, man, that guy's really on top of his finances, or like, oh my gosh, she is just so intentional with her family, and I just really respect her for that. They've got one, okay? If you intentionally went through each one of these, oh my gosh, you can see how powerful this is and how unfathomably simple it is. That's what we do here on this channel. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, because I drop more amazing videos like this every week. But you need to master one domain, and then you choose the next if you want, and then the next. By the end, you have a full identity that's aligned and stable and consistent. You can do this because you built it one piece at a time, brick by brick. Consistency becomes effortless when you stop trying to become everything at once and start becoming someone specific on purpose. I make a lot of other videos that are more detailed with exercises on how to reflect on your purpose. But because I respect your time, I really don't want to throw all that in here and make this into a 25-minute video when it can be a 10-minuter. So I hope this was incredibly valuable to you. I hope this resonated. And listen, if it did, it means you're ready for a real shift, not just another habits or some overly complex system that's just gonna leave you in the dust and not following through with it in 2 weeks. Not another routine. Actual identity level change. Those other things can be helpful, but like the rubber band analogy, you need to address this first. And this is exactly what we work on inside my new community. Not surface level tips, not motivation, although that's certainly in there, not another long list of complex algorithms and things you need to do. Incredibly simple and actionable and clarity-driven advice. People are telling me that it is changing their lives. And you get one-on-one access to chatting with me all the time. I'm there. And if that aspect isn't for you, or you want to dive even deeper, check out my book. It is on Amazon in all the formats. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone looking to improve their lives because they know they have more to offer, this book is for you. It is written from science-backed strategies, but most importantly, and this is something a lot of people don't come from when they write, from someone who has been there. It's the guide that I wish I had when I was going through this. And this has the step-by-step information, including my community, on how I went from someone who was struggling, tutoring multiple days a week, failing, with no identity really, to someone who has 2 master's degrees, a medical degree, thriving relationships, in shape, and a wonderful content career. And I love my life. and I want that for you too. The community and my book are the best ways to have daily structure, support, and real conversations with people who are doing the same work you are. If you're tired of going at this alone and you are ready to rebuild the version of you that doesn't snap back, join us. It's the place where people actually transform. The link's in the top of the description. Don't overthink it. If it feels right, trust it. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found value. It helps the channel tremendously and means the world for me. I really do want you to step into the best version of yourself. You deserve it, and the world is so ready to see it. And hype this video. It's down below somewhere. I don't even know where it is. It's a new feature and drastically helps the channel. Also, share this video with a friend or loved one. I know they'll find value. It's free, and it's the least that you can do to help them. Drop a comment letting me know which identity you are going to work on next. I want to read it, and I want to communicate with you. So, as always, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Matt Jones, and I'll see you in the next one.